Are you eating enough protein but still feeling weak? Is bloating after every meal becoming your new normal? The truth is, after age 50, your stomach stops producing enough acid to break down food. This hidden crisis is why your muscles are shrinking and your energy is fading. In this video, I will show you how to fix your digestion naturally and regain your strength. Watch until the end to discover the simple kitchen secret that restarts your gut instantly. Most people think heartburn means they have too much stomach acid. But for those over 50, the opposite is usually true. Medical research shows that our stomach acid levels can drop by 30% or more as we age. This condition is called hypochlorhydria. Think of your stomach acid like a powerful furnace. Its main job is to melt down the protein you eat like lentils, eggs, or meat. Without enough acid, that protein just sits there. It starts to ferment and rot in your digestive tract. This is exactly why you feel heavy and bloated right after eating. But the problem goes much deeper than a bloated belly. Protein is the building block for your muscles, bones, and skin. If your stomach can't break it down, your body can't absorb it. This leads to a leak in your nutrition. You might be eating the best food in the world, but your cells are starving. Harvard Health studies suggest that low acid also prevents the absorption of vitamin B12 and calcium. This is why many seniors feel tired all the time. It is also why your legs and arms might feel thinner and weaker. Your body is literally eating its own muscle because it can't get protein from your food. Even your immune system suffers because it needs protein to stay strong. It is a silent cycle that speeds up the aging process. But don't worry, this isn't a permanent problem. Your gut is incredibly resilient and can be retrained to work properly. In the next part, we will look at the natural ways to jumpstart this process. The good news is, you can boost your stomach acid naturally. Nature has provided us with many powerful tools. The first rule is to stop drinking ice-cold water with meals. Cold water dilutes your stomach acid instantly. It makes your digestion sluggish and slow. Instead, try sipping warm ginger tea before you eat. Ginger acts as a spark for your digestive furnace. Scientific studies show that ginger speeds up stomach emptying. Next, let's talk about bitter greens for your plate. Try adding arugula or kale to your daily salad. Bitter flavors trigger your body's natural digestive juices. Think of them as a start button for your stomach. Two other great helpers are pineapple and papaya. These fruits contain very special natural enzymes. They act like scissors that cut through tough protein. If you feel heavy after eating, try fresh papaya. Another famous kitchen remedy is apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 tablespoon in a glass of water before meals. This helps balance the pH level in your gut. It creates the acidic environment your protein needs to break down. But health is not just about what you eat. It is also about how you move your body. Take a slow 10-minute walk after your dinner. This digestive walk improves blood flow to your stomach. Never lie down immediately after finishing a meal. Gravity helps your digestion stay on the right track. By following these habits, your gut can feel young again. Your body will start turning that protein into real strength. It is a simple shift that creates a massive change. You will feel lighter, stronger, and much more energetic. Eating the right food is only half of the battle. Your body is a machine that requires regular movement. Movement helps your internal organs function at their peak. Let's start with a simple technique called deep belly breathing. Spend 5 minutes every morning focusing on your breath. As you inhale deeply, your diaphragm pushes down on your stomach. This creates a natural massage for your digestive system. Research shows that deep breathing can stimulate the vagus nerve. This nerve is the direct telephone line between your brain and gut. Next, try the cat-cow stretch to keep your gut flexible. This simple yoga move improves blood circulation in your midsection. Better blood flow means your stomach can produce more acid. Now, let's look at your vegetable drawer for extra help. Fermented vegetables like sauerkraut are a gift for your gut. They contain natural acids and beneficial bacteria. These good bacteria help break down protein before it rots. According to the Journal of Applied Microbiology, they keep your gut environment stable. Also, make sure you are getting enough zinc in your diet. Zinc is a critical mineral needed to create stomach acid. You can find plenty of zinc in pumpkin seeds and chickpeas. If you feel you need more support, Consider safe supplements. BTNHCl is a supplement that mimics natural stomach acid. However, you should always consult your doctor before starting it. Another safe option is using plant-based digestive enzymes. These help your body process heavy meals without feeling tired. Remember, supplements are meant to support a healthy lifestyle. The real power lies in your daily habits and natural foods. When your acid levels are balanced, your weakness will vanish. Your skin will look healthier and your muscles will feel firmer. You are giving your body the fuel it needs to stay young. Take these steps today to reclaim your health and vitality. Start making these small changes today to reclaim your strength. Remember, a healthy life begins with a powerful gut. If you found this helpful, please share it with someone you care about. Don't forget to subscribe to Wellness Path podcast for more natural health tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.